I went to the hairdresser today and it did a awful job. Terrible color. Very bad cut. What can I do? Wait a moment. I changed the glasses. How do I look? Still very bad. Very bad. I also gave some self-tanning cream on my face. I have to wait a little for that to work. But the color is very terrible. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Maybe the only solution is this hat. This hat suits me. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Yeah. I may go around with this hat for the next 2-3 weeks, yeah? Even though it's very hot outside, it's okay. I manage. Oh, this cut is really terrible, yeah? The color also, yeah. What can happen? Maybe my husband could leave me because of this terrible haircut. So, big deal. Yeah. Maybe what I really need is a nose job. Yeah, a nose job. Yeah, this is terrible. Oh, awful. Yeah. Yeah. Color and haircut is not too bad at all. Yeah. Nose is awful. No.